everyone, this is Aisha of Event Decor Designs by Aisha, and welcome back. Well, today makes day 4 of my 2022 graduation decor series. I hope that you all have been enjoying the graduation ideas that I have been bringing to you, because I have been enjoying bringing them to you. All right, so in today's video I am going to be showing you how to make a candy buffet slash dessert buffet. All right, so the different items I'm going to be using, you know, you can make it your own. You can use whatever it is that you want to use. I'm going to be using cupcakes, candy, cookies, and other desserts that I'm going to be adding to this table. All right, so you can subtract some things from the table. You can add some things to the table. This is for you to make your own. All right, so I hope that you all like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you share this video with a loved one or a friend. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, everyone, so I don't think I showed you the curtains that I'm going to be using. These are actually backdrop curtains, but I'm going to be using it as a tablecloth to cover my table. And as you see, all I did was just move my table to the wall. You can set, you know, this setup can be done outside. It can be done in a home, a venue, wherever you decide to have your graduation party. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to be switching it up. I'm going to use one of these blues, and I'm going to use a yellow to cover my table. All right, I'm going to be linking these backdrop curtains in the description box, so just remember that it will be in the description box. It is an affiliate link. Can you help me grab it? Put it on this side. I think I'm gonna do it. I can do it all yellow and just put the blue across. That'd be cute one. You know how you zigzag. I might zigzag it a little bit. That I made that was in the other video. Okay. All right, so now what I have this beautiful cupcake stand, and I'm going to be linking this in the description box. I purchased this from eFavorMart, and it's plastic, but you see how beautiful it is. You see the details of it. So I'm going to be using it, and this is what I'm going to put my cupcakes on. All right, everyone, so I want you all to see our dessert table set up. All right, so I'm just going to show you the table first, and then I'm going to take you in to show you what I and my daughter have done. All right, so we have, first of all, let's start with the tablecloths. And again, like I said, these are backdrop curtains that I used for the tablecloth. I started with the yellow one, and I made the yellow one the one that's on the bottom. And I came through and I took the blue, me and my daughter did the blue one and made it come across here and made it as a table runner. All right, so now let me go here, and this is the centerpiece that I made that was in one of the other videos that I did for the tablescape, the graduation tablescape. And me and my daughter put one on this side, and here's the other one right here that we just put on this side. All right, and that's just to give it, you know, you want it to look cute. All right. Okay, so I added some cookies. These are chocolate chip cookies, and I just put it on this. It's actually a 3-tier stand that I have that came with 3 of these glass dishes here, and it comes on a little the little stand. And I just took these glass stands off the tier, these glass plates here, and just put the cookies in. All right, now this here came from Belk, this here, and like I said, it's a 3-tier stand. If I can find the I have a video of it that I took. If I can find it, I will link it. But I did get it from Belt. It's a 3-tier glass. It has 3 glasses. All right. So what I did, I added some fruit right here. And I just added strawberries all the way down. You can add whatever it is that you want. Now, just because you see me with these desserts that you see and the fruit that you see here, you can add whatever it is that you want to add. You can add more. You can add less. It's totally up to you. All right. This is just an example of what you can do and how you can set it up. All right. So I just bought some strawberries and I added the strawberries in this cute little bowl here. Now these bowls came from the Dollar Tree, and I went ahead and washed them, as you see. And I will be linking this in the description box also. And these were just, you know, Dollar Tree is $1.25 now, and the strawberries came from a local grocery store that we have here. All right, so I also purchased one of these little things here from the Dollar Tree. And all it is, I've been had these though, but I had some left. So you just, you know, put it down in your fruit or whatever it is that you want to hold. It's kind of like hold like cocktail sausages and things like that. And it's perfect for any desserts, fruit, or whatever it is that you may have at your graduation party if you would like to have this on your table. And one thing that I want you to remember, it's just to wear gloves when you are preparing food for your guests or anything, you know, for your guests. All right. So these are the strawberries that we added here. And coming on down, we also have some on this side also. All right, so here is the other side here. And here are the sugar cookies that we added. And like I was telling you before about the 3-tier tray, like this platter here that we have, this is where the sugar cookies are. So we just added this one to the other side. All right, and coming along here is a flower centerpiece that I use for my graduation tablescape that I showed you previously. And I'm going to be linking in the description box the playlist so that you can go back and watch it if you did not see the other videos that I put out. All right, so now we're going to come right here, and this is a 3-tier cupcake stand. And this is where we added the cupcakes, as you see right here. And I don't think I put the stand together properly, but it's supposed to stand up. It has some little other screws that I did not put on here, but make sure that you put everything together like it should be. This came from eFavorMart, so I'm going to be linking in the description box this cupcake stand also, so that you can go and check it out if you would like to purchase it. It wasn't that much. I forgot how much I paid for it, but it was very reasonable. It's plastic, and as you see, it has some really beautiful details here. All right, and I only had 6 cupcakes, so you know, I just added the 6 cupcakes that I had here, but you can add more, of course. And to make it a candy buffet, I just had to add a few pieces of candy here at the front in this beautiful dish that I have here. I can't remember where I bought the dish from, but I've had it a really, really long time. I don't know why. I think I might have gotten it from like Hobby Lobby or somewhere like that. I'm not sure, but it is beautiful. I love it. All right, so let me stand back a little bit so that you can see everything that I have added to the table. All right, and if you want something on the back, you can always add a banner, like the banner that I use for the tablecloth. The backdrop banner will be beautiful. Balloons, you know, over here on the wall, so that the wall would not be bare. I didn't add anything to the back of this because I just wanted to show you how you can set up for the candy or the buffet table. Okay, the candy table. Or the candy / dessert table. All right. This is it. All right, so I want to say thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you all have enjoyed this 2022 graduation decor series. And today's video is the candy buffet / dessert table. I hope that you like the way I set it up. And remember, you make it your own. You do not have to do it exactly how I did it. You can add more, you can add less, you can change it up, you can add flowers, whatever it is that you want to add. You can add it to your table to make it your own. All right. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share this video. And I hope that you all have a great day. So you all come back on Friday. Friday will be my last video. I was going to do bonus videos, but I think Friday is going to be the last one that I'm going to do for you. I hope that you all have enjoyed the videos, the series. And like I said, come back again on Friday. The video will be uploaded for you at the same time, which is 5:00 p.m. So I hope that you all have a wonderful day. And I will see you all on Friday at 5:00 p.m. Bye.